Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add elements to your Finder menu. Real-time problem. I'm currently making slideshows in Photos, and the slideshows export to movies. So I now want my movies in this menu. So basically I go up to the top left hand corner, click on Finder, click on Settings, and there's my Finder settings. So you tick what you want in this menu. So I now want to add movies, and movies has now appeared, and that's as simple as it is. Hope you like that. Obviously if you wanted to add different options, music, pictures, etc, etc, it's easy to do. And if you wanted to remove something, so you don't want applications anymore on the side, you'd remove that. I do want applications, I'll leave that there. Hope this video is useful. If it is, give it a like. If you want more videos like this, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell to make sure YouTube notifies you when I make a new video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Bye for now.